Good morning to one and all present here. I am Ramya Devi, working as Assistant Professor in SNS College of Engineering. Today I am going to share a small article regarding data warehouse. It's basically a giant database that contains information from many different sources and ties them together. A data warehouse is a relational database that is designed for query and analysis rather than transaction processing. It includes historical data derived from transaction data from single and multiple sources. A data warehouse provides integrated enterprise-wide historical data and focuses on providing support for decision makers for data modeling and analysis. A data warehouse has the challenge of taking data from many different sources, transforming them into some sort of schema that allows us to query these different data sources simultaneously, and it lets us make insights through data analysis. Data warehouse environment contains an extraction, transportation, and loading solution, an online analytical processing engine, customer analysis tools, and other applications that handle the process of gathering information and delivering it to business users. There is two types. One is ETL and other one is ELT. ETL is extract, transform, and load. Extract, transform, and load is a data integration methodology that extracts raw data from sources, transforms the data on a secondary processing server, and then loads the data into a target database. The method emerged in the 1970s and remained prevalent amongst on-premise databases that possess finite memory and processing power. Here there is data we are extracted from different sources like databases, files, SAS applications, and application events, and then in the staging area they are going to transform the data and load it to the data warehouse. Here at the last stage we use data analytics tools for analyzing it. Next is ETL, extract, transform, and load. Extraction refers to pulling the source data from the original database or data source. With ETL, the data goes into a temporary staging area. In a traditional ETL scenario, the source data is extracted to a staging area and moved into a target system. Transformation refers to the process of changing the structure of the information so it integrates with the target data system and the rest of the data in that system. In staging area, transformation can involve converting all data types to the same format, cleansing by removing inconsistent or inaccurate data, combing data elements from multiple data models, pulling in data from other sources and other processes. Loading refers to the process of depositing the information into a target data storage system. Next is extract, load, transform. Here we are extract the data from the different source of databases like databases, files, SAS applications, and application events, and we transform that into a data warehouse and analyze using data analytics tool. Unlike ETL, extract, load, and transform does not require data transformations to take place before the loading process. ELT loads raw data directly into a target data warehouse instead of moving into a processing server for transformation. With ELT, data cleansing, enrichment, and transformation all occur inside the data warehouse itself. Raw data is stored indefinitely in the data warehouse, allowing for multiple transformations. ELT is a relatively new development made possible by the invention of scalable cloud-based data warehouses. Example, Hadoop data lakes are special kinds of data stores that, unlike OLAP data warehouses, accept any kind of structured or unstructured data. Advantages of ELT. ELT lets the data destination do the transformation, eliminating the need for data staging, flexibility, faster loading time, and scalability. Advantages of ETL. ETL can help with data privacy and compliance, cleansing sensitive data before loading into the data destination, while ELT is simpler and for companies with minor data needs. Thank you. So here we have two types of processing. One is ELT, another one is the ETL. So here in ELT, first we will extract, load, and then transform, and ETL will extract, transform, and load. So in extract, transform, and load, so first we will extract the data from the data sources and then transform into a staging area and load it finally into the data warehouse. In this, it's very expensive because while transforming the data, it has been done in the staging area, so it follows a pre-processing method before loading into a data warehouse. Here in the extract load transform, it will just extract the data from the different types of sources, and then it will load into the database, and then finally it will transform. So the destination is the sole responsible for transforming all the data. Thank you.